Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the Roku home screen and pressing home on your remote. That gets you into the system quickly. From there, navigate to Settings, then TV Picture Settings. This path leads to the display controls you need. Once you reach Advanced Picture Settings, select Display Type. This is the only place Roku exposes screen size and aspect adjustments. Make sure your TV input is active, so menus reflect the current source and any HDMI scaling settings. Now choose the display type option and review the available presets like default, 4, 3, 16:9, and zoom. These alter pixel mapping and overscan. Select one and observe the on-screen test pattern or your live content to ensure edges align and no UI elements are cut off. If the image is slightly off, toggle between adjacent presets until text and app bars sit inside the visible frame. Once satisfied, confirm the change to save it system-wide. Finish by verifying that the chosen display type persists across apps. If it reverts or looks wrong, restart the TV to apply settings cleanly. Also, make sure your source device resolution matches the TV. Mismatched HDMI output can force scaling that looks like a screen size issue. If problems continue, cycle HDMI cables and ports, then consider a factory reset as a last resort. A key troubleshooting tip: test another HDMI source first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.